You almost always have the spotlight, isn't it, curly hair girl? And while your distinctive locks draw a lot of attention and comments, you panic about having to manage them. We understand how your hair can become dry, coarse, and frizzy. If there's a fluffy line between untamable curly hair and good curly hair days, it's an excellent hair care routine. Yes, the appropriate products, maintenance and hairstyles may help you take better care of your curly hair. Pay close attention to learning how to take care of curly hair that is naturally curly. The first, let us know the expert opinions about the curly hair. Natural oils are high in vitamin E and essential fatty acids. These fatty acids help to keep your hair moisturized. Natural oils manage frizz, and make curly hair more manageable in this way. Massage with natural oils on the scalp, to improve blood circulation and hair growth. Select a shampoo. Washing your hair properly is the first and most important step in any hair care routine. Regardless of hair texture, cleaning or washing your scalp ensures that it is free of dust, excess oil, dead skin cells and product buildup. Use a moderate shampoo that is free of irritating chemicals like sulfates, silicones, alcohols and parabens. Sulfates are utilized as lathering agents, whereas parabens are employed as preservatives in hair care products. In your shampoos, use mild surfactants that don't contain fragrance, sulfate, silicone and paraben products. Excessive shampooing should be avoided. Curly hair is prone to drying out. Excessive shampooing might deplete your hair's natural moisture. Also, with your conditioner, search for hydrating elements. Conditioning seals and protects the cuticle of your hair against environmental harm. Pre-shampoo preparation. For people with curly hair, a pre-shampoo treatment is a godsend. It aids in detangling and frizz removal in your hair. Separating sections of hair, and apply a hair mask or a conditioning oil to your dry hair. Allow 20 minutes for the conditioner to work, to trap heat and open up the cuticle. Put on a shower hat or a towel. This ensures that the conditioner gets a good grip on your hair. Curly hair should never be brushed. Brushing curly hair is a bad idea. Before shampooing, comb your curly hair with a wide-toothed comb. Simply rub your fingers through your hair after you've washed it. Wet hair is more prone to breakage and damage, so never brush it. Moderate heat hair styling. Heat styling equipment's high temperatures can strip your curls of their inherent substance, leaving them drab and lifeless. When you can't resist using heat on your hair, use a decent heat protectant spray instead. To protect your naturally lovely curls, use low heat and a diffuser. Use a comb with a very wide tooth. Remove tangles from your curly hair with a wide-toothed comb. If there are any knots, comb them out from the bottom up. Because each curl is a possible breaking point, it's best to handle them gently. A hairbrush can cause harm to your hair and mess with its natural texture. Always wash your hair with cold water. Hot water showers deplete your scalp and hair of its natural oil or sebum. It can also open up the cuticle, causing frizz and breakage in the hair strands. Whether you're shampooing or conditioning your hair, cold water rinses are your best bet. Avoid split ends by trimming. To get rid of split ends and damaged hair, have your hair trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks. Curly hair, like straight hair, needs to look and feel healthy. Curly hair sleeping habits. The pineapple method is recommended by hairstylists as part of a curly hair sleep routine. Make a bun or a loose ponytail with all of your hair on top of your head. There will be less friction between your hair and the pillowcase. Also use satin or silk pillowcases instead of cotton ones. Experiment with natural curly hair treatments. For curly hair, use hair masks made with natural ingredients. Apply a hair mask made of olive oil, eggs, vinegar and mayonnaise to your hair. After 30 minutes, rinse with a light shampoo. While eggs provide your hair protein, mayonnaise adds moisture and shine to the dry curls. Avocados are high in vitamins B and E, as well as healthy fats. A ripe avocado, a tablespoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of olive oil are mashed together. This mask should be applied to your curly hair and left on for 30 minutes. Use a mild shampoo to remove it. Apple cider vinegar, milk, fenugreek seeds and hibiscus are all excellent natural hair treatments. If you liked this video, please do share, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because there are more important and useful tips that will be coming after this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching.